As you can tell,
that's why he's
engaged in
It's gonna
singing.
rain, oh, you better get ready. And bear this in mind, for God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire this time. Now way back in the Bible days, Noah told the people, said it's gonna rain. But after he told them, they paid him no mind. And when it happened, they were left behind. I tell you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, oh, you better get ready. And bear this in mind, for God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire this time. They tell me when the waters began to flow, they knocked on the windows, they knocked on the doors. They didn't know exactly what they should do. You don't want this to happen to you. I tell you, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain, oh, you better get ready. And bear this in mind, for God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire this time. But Noah said, I'm sorry, my friends, but God has shut the door, and you can't get in. If something don't happen to the hearts of men, the same thing is gonna happen again. It's gonna rain, it's gonna rain, oh, you better get ready. And bear this in mind, for God showed Noah the rainbow sign. It won't be water, but fire this time. No, it won't be water, but fire this time. Ooh.